So I was gonna show you guys something as far as the alignment of this. We go into the home. I've already homed it, but so if you go on, I think it's printables. They have these alignment tools that are supposed to be 50 millimeters. No, they're not going to fit. They're off by 0.7, or something is. So, if you see right here, I've got a mark, and I've got a mark with a Sharpie. But if we go to our 0.7, we have different marks on here. So I didn't really think about it, but I knew these were wrong, and I used them. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter what the length is. Like, you could use a soup can, you could use whatever you can fit into here, as long as you move this thing up. You know, you could, you know, it just has to be taller than, I think, 50 millimeters. But you could use soup cans. You really could. And if you mark it with that reference object, it should be at the same spot every single time. So in this case, it is. And you really should do it when the bed and everything is heated and all that. Because right now my bed's not heated, and I can tell that my pieces fit really loose. And they didn't before. But they haven't moved. So the thing is that if you do this like that and you adjust your Z to use these calibration pieces, you won't be in the home position anymore. So what happens is you'll then not really think about it, and you'll go into your printer and you'll go, hey, let's home this thing and see where it's at. And you'll go do all that and let it do its thing. And so it did the sensorless homing right there. It's going to do the inductive homing right here to tell where the hell it's at from the plate. And then, so now we have our secondary marks that I made, because the other ones are actually further back here. So, see, they don't fit. So let me just show you. Okay, you're going to watch this mark while I adjust it. I'm going to move the Z up 0.1 millimeter at a time. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it moves that much for 0.7. That's 0.1 millimeter steps. So it'd be nice if these were the right size. I don't know why they're not. I also printed them on this printer and the Neptune 4, and they're the same. Maybe a little tighter on that one. Yeah, so the ones that were printed on this printer are even tighter. So I guess if you have a known object, you know, you can calibrate it that way. Like I said, it doesn't matter. You could put soup cans, but it's just something I thought I would share that I noticed. I was like, oh, wait a minute. Because I thought, I looked at this thing and I was like, oh man, it's off again. But it's not. It's fine. We'll catch you guys later. I'm over here on 10 meters listening to this guy.